Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. In this video, I'll be talking about algebra of combination, how to solve algebraic form of combination. That is what we'll look at. It's not difficult. I'm going to break it down for you. Thank you and God bless you. But before we begin to solve an example, please, I want you guys to follow me. Go to Google, type Jock Maths. On Google, you will see solved problems. Just enter the site. You will see solved mathematical problems, and not only solved problems, you also see comprehensive lecture notes there. Go to YouTube, type this, you will meet me there. Go to Facebook, type this, you also meet me there. Just follow me. Thank you and God bless you. In case you have any mathematical problem, just send it to me. I will solve it. Then I will just make a video on it, then put it there so that for you to understand and know better. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, now I want to look at algebraic form of combination or algebra of combination. Amen. Okay. Algebra of combination. Let's look at this problem. Find the value of n. Find the value of n if we have 30n combination 5 is equals to n permutation 4. Amen. Okay, it's simple as ABC. We are going to solve it together. Just follow me up. Okay, let's try solution. Solution 30n combination 5 equals to n permutation 4. Let's define the combination mathematically. Look at this question. It involves both combination and permutation, true or false. The left hand side involves combination, while the right hand side involves what? Permutation. Okay, let's define combination. N combination arrow means n factorial all over r factorial, open brackets, close bracket minus r factorial. This is the definition of combination. So assuming we have here your n is, let me say we have 5 combination 2. It means this is the same thing as 5 combination 5 factorial all over your arrow is what? 2, isn't it? 2 factorial, open bracket, 5 minus 2 factorial. So this is equals to 5 factorial all over 2 factorial times 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. So this is how you are going to solve for combination. So this is the mathematical definition for combination. Now let us look at, because you all know 5 factorial. 5 factorial is the same thing as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then 2 factorial is the same thing as 2 times 1. 3 factorial is the same as 3 times 2 times 1. Take note. So by the time you substitute in, you have the answer. I'm just trying to explain it to your own understanding. So now let's consider this left hand side. Let us define permutation. permutation, this is combination, this is combination, definition of combination, then definition of permutation. Here it is. Okay. The definition is n permutation r is equals to n factorial all over n minus r factorial. This is the definition. So whenever you are to solve any problem on permutation or combination, you must take note of these formulas. So assuming here is a 5 permutation 2, this is equals to 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial. Then this is equals to 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. Then you just substitute and obtain your value. Now in this video, we are not talking about this, but we'll make use of all this definition here. So now we want to look at the algebraic formula, because at the end of the day we are going to look for this value of n, and that is what we want to look at. Okay, so now we now see that if we have, look at it, we have 30n combination 5. Don't let this one to confuse you. This is, we can still rewrite it this way. Yes, it's the same thing as this. So please take note. Okay, for the sake of Malians, let me just do it this way. This is the same thing as 30 n combination 5 equals to n permutation 4. Amen. So if you agree with me, this note, amen, note that if you want to go by this formula, it means note that n combination 5 is the same thing as n factorial all over 5 factorial, because your arrow is 5. This is n minus, n minus what? 5 close bracket factorial. Do you agree with me? Then our n permutation 4 will now be n factorial all over n minus 4 times n minus up to minus 5 times. This is what you have. So please take note. So if you can see what I am saying, instead of this we substitute in, instead of this we are going to substitute this here. Then instead of this we are going to substitute this here. So let's look at it together. Can I clean this side? Okay. Okay. Please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Then we'll look at it together. I will look at it. Okay. So let's have it here. So now here will now be 30 instead of n combination 5, 30n factorial 5 factorial open bracket n minus 5 factorial equals to, instead of n permutation 4 is what? N factorial all over n minus 4 open bracket n minus 5 factorial. Okay. At this point, if you can see what I am saying, let's look at the board very well. Look at the board very well. Are you seeing what I am saying? No. Some may not see it. Okay. So at this point, let's cross multiply. Amen. Let us cross multiply. If we cross multiply, it means this one will multiply this one will multiply this. But to save time, if you can see what I am saying, this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Okay. So Let's look at it together. Okay. So for the sake of maliance, let's do it this way. 30 30n factorial n minus 4 times n minus 5 factorial is now equals to n factorial 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial. So if we divide through the common n factorial and n minus 5 factorial, this is what we have: 30 open bracket n minus 4 all over, okay, for the sake of malice, so that you will not ask unnecessary question, divide through by n factorial and n minus 5 factorial. So this implies that 30n factorial n minus 4 n minus 5, this is 5 factorial all over n factorial n minus 5 factorial equals to n factorial 5 factorial n minus 5 factorial all over n factorial then n minus 5 factorial. Amen. Okay, so this and this will go. Do you agree with me? This and this will go. Mind you, the factorial affect only n minus 5, does not affect n minus 4. Take note. Then this and this will go, this and this will go. Do you agree with me? So if you agree with me, here is 30 n minus 4 open bracket n minus 4 is equals to what? 5 factorial, true or false? But note that 5 factorial is equals to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, isn't it? So let us open this bracket. 30n minus 30 times 4 is going to give us 120. This is equals to, here we're going to give us 120, isn't it? Because 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4, 20, isn't it? 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2, 120 times 1 is 120. Amen? So at this point, we collect like terms. We take like terms. If we collect like terms, here will be 30 n is equals to 120. This one crosses the sign of equality, becomes plus 120. True or false? So this is 30n is equals to this one plus this is going to give us 240, isn't it? Then for us to obtain n, we divide through by what? 30. Divide through by 30. Divide through by 30. Amen. So if we divide through by 30, 30n all over 30 is equals to 240 all over 30. This and this will go. This 0, isn't it? Then 24 divide 3 is going to give you 8. So therefore, our n is equals to 8. Please, this is how you are going to solve algebraic form of combination. Take note. Please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. And don't hesitate to send your questions. Any mathematical question you are having and you don't have idea on how to solve it, just send it I will look at it and make a video on it. Make sure you share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, go to Google, type raindrop maths, because it will do you good. Not only you, even your children that are coming up to be like you, please introduce them to this so that they will learn mathematics without having any challenge or problem. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video.